one man digitized a billion people, not a company, one man, with a government ID system. When he left Infosys to build Aadhaar, skeptics doubted a corporate billionaire could survive government. Activists fought Aadhaar all the way to the Supreme Court, calling it a tool of state surveillance. The court read a fundamental right to privacy into the Constitution and narrowed Aadhaar's reach. The Tribune reported Aadhaar data accessed for 500 rupees, a global security scandal erupted. Reetika Khera documented citizens denied food rations when their fingerprints failed to authenticate. Infosys itself nearly broke. The Sikha-Murthy feud wiped value and forced Nilekani's emergency return. The world assumed India does cheap IT services, not world-class digital infrastructure. They were wrong. Today, at 71, Nilekani launches a $200 million fund for India's AI application layer. But the defining pivot came in 2009. He walked away from wealth into India's slow, contested bureaucracy. Aadhaar enrolled 1.4 billion people. Fingerprints, iris, face the largest biometric system ever. He championed UPI real-time, near-zero-cost payment rails now used by hundreds of millions daily. Then ONDC, an open commerce network. India's whole philosophy, build shared digital public infrastructure. Nilekani thinks in rails, not products. He doesn't own the train, he owns the gauge everyone must use. Other nations now adopt India's digital public infrastructure model. His rails became a global export. His open rails doctrine is a direct counter to the closed platform model of big tech, Google, Meta, Amazon. Nilekani says India's AI chance is the application layer built on global models, not frontier model building. But the risk is real. Without frontier models, India could become a permanent consumer of others' tech. Fundamentum backs Indian startups at Series B and beyond. Spinny, Farmeezy, Cuckoo FM, Sri Mandir. He steps down as GP but stays as anchor investor, his largest ever commitment to a venture fund. He remembers when India had zero domestic VC capital. Now Indian investors back Indian funds. His philosophy mirrors open source. Don't own the train, own the rail everyone's forced to build on. Aadhaar, UPI, ONDC, a 200 million AI fund, one man, laying the foundation a nation stands on. The nation-scale architect now bets India owns its AI applications, riding global open rails, not begging. Did Nandan Nilekani liberate India with open rails, or hand the state too much power? Subscribe and decide.